Hi, it's Gina from WTI. We are inside our extremely small shower today because I want to tell you about the OMAIRA Adhesive Shower Caddy. Now, when we bought this, I wasn't really sure if it was going to work because it doesn't have any drilling and you just literally are sticking it to the wall and then placing the shelf on that. But I've been so pleasantly surprised that it hasn't budged at all. In fact, I can kind of like pull on it and try to shift it and it just doesn't budge. Not only that, but it's so pretty. I love the matte black color. It cleans up easily with a microfiber cloth if there's any water stains on it. And it comes with these really awesome hooks that you can just put on the side of the shower caddy and then hang things from. I've been able to put about 3+ pounds worth of product inside the shower caddy and it just holds it perfectly. I made sure when we installed it that I didn't put the adhesive over any cracks in the vinyl tile because I didn't want to compromise the stickiness of the adhesive, and that seems to have worked really, really well. The company does send an extra strip of adhesive with the package just in case you need it, but so far we haven't. I'm so happy with this shower caddy. It's really exceeded my expectations. If you're looking for something that looks really good, a solution for your shower that doesn't need to have drilling, or where if you can't hang a shower caddy on something, that this is definitely a good choice. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.